Hello, children. Good morning. So, happy Tuesday. Hope you are all enjoying your online classes. Yes, you are enjoying your online classes. Now, all of you are sending in your homework. Some of you have not sent in their homework. Why? Because they are not doing their work on time. When you finish your work on time, you want to send in your homework, right? When you're not finishing your homework, you will keep it. You won't be able to send it. Those who are finishing on time, they will want to send it to their teacher. So I want all of you to finish your homework today. I had sent in all the answer key for the last lesson. I had sent in all the answer key. Yes or no, all the answer keys were given. And how many of you sent in your homework? So this week, I want everybody to send in their homework before Wednesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, day after tomorrow, you can send in your homework. On Wednesday, I want all of you to finish your homework and send it. Now, let's look at the first chapter. We are coming to a new chapter, that is, Hello, I am from India. So, do you love your country? Wherever you are born, God has put you there. So, we love our country and we have to pray for our country. Yes or no? Why? Because we live in our country and God wants us to pray for our country. So, now let's look at some of the. Okay, look, we are looking at these people. Do you see those boys? They have what's on their faces? They have their country's flags painted on their faces. So, now we are getting started. Look at these people. Their country's flags are painted on their faces. Can you identify which countries they are from? Write the name of their country below each picture. So, 1. Which is the country? Yes, India. Write India, India. Okay, now next one. 2. Number 2. Yes. Do you know that? Yes, USA or United States of America. Next one, the third one is France. Yes, did you see that? Okay, did you finish writing? I want you to finish writing. Just look at this. India, United States of America, and France. Okay, now come to the next page, that is page number 20. We are going to look at Farooq introducing himself. Now listen to the audio clip. Listen carefully. We have something to finish.
Listen to Farooq introducing himself.
Hello, I am Farooq. I am 9 years old. My birthday is on 15 January. I was born in London, but I do not live in London. I live in Delhi. I am an Indian. I like to play basketball and hockey. I love to read stories. I also write many stories. Ruskin Bond is my favorite author.
Okay, now listen once more. We have to listen and you have to listen again and tick the correct options.
Listen again. Tick the correct options.
Hello, I am Farooq. I am 9 years old. My birthday is on 15 January. I was born in London, but I do not live in London. I live in Delhi. I am an Indian. I like to play basketball and hockey. I love to read stories. I also write many stories. Ruskin Bond is my favorite author.
Okay, so did you finish? See this? This is the answer key is completed and can you see it? First one A, second one is B, third one is A, Farooq is Indian, fourth one, then Farooq's favorite author is Ruskin Bond. Completed, please. Okay, come to the next page, that is You have to come to this page.
Listen again.
Okay, now we are going to listen to this is about a few famous personalities. Can you recognize any of them? Okay, you don't know, that's all right. We'll just listen to the audio and then we'll understand who it is.
Where were they born? Listen to some facts about a few famous personalities. Listen carefully and match their names with the flags of their country of origin. Mr. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. Children love his adventure stories. He was born in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh, and has lived most of his life in the hills. He loves to write and lives in Mussoorie. Ms. J.K. Rowling is a British novelist whose Harry Potter series take us to a world of magic. She was born on 31st July in England and has always lived there. Lionel Messi is an Argentine professional footballer who has managed to win hearts of the children across the world. He was born in Argentina but has also lived in Spain. He plays for Argentina, his birth country. Mr. Roger Federer is a professional tennis player who was born on 8th August in Switzerland.
So how many of you finished? Were you able to get that? Answers? Okay, look at that. The answers are here, given here. I've matched it. You can see that. First one, Ruskin Bond. He is from India. J.K. Rowling is from the United Kingdom. Now, Lionel Messi is from Argentina. Roger Federer is from Switzerland. Okay, now come to the next one. We are going to look at the grammar. Grammar. So when we talk about ourselves, we talk about our age, birthday, birthplace, and where we live now, likes and dislikes. So when we introduce ourselves, we say, hello, I am. If you're saying your name, only your first name, that's not complete. So, hello, I am Anne George. So, if you're telling, tell your full name, your first name and your surname. Or if you have your full name, if you have three names like middle name, first name, middle name, and the surname, tell the full name. Then I am dash years old. So you should, if you are saying I am 9 years old, if you're telling, and if you're telling 9 years old, it's all right. But when you write, you should write the number name. So when you write in English, you must be in English, you will be writing not the numeral 9, you'll be writing N-I-N-E. I am 9 years old. So N-I-N-E, the number name. Then I was born in, you can write the month, the date and the year. I was born in July 25th. Then you can write the year you were born. I live in, you can write I live in whichever place you are living in now, you can write about that. Then I like, or whatever you like to do, you can write about it, or whatever, if you like something, you love something, you can write about that. Or you can, when you're telling, okay, and if you don't like something, you will describe that also. So now let's come to the next one. This is a speaking practice, and you can listen to this girl. She is going to introduce herself. So repeat after me. Hello, I am Nisa. Hello, I am Nisa. I am 10 years old. I am 10 years old. My birthday is on 10 March. My birthday is on 10 March. I was born in Chennai. I was born in Chennai, but I live in Delhi now. But I live in Delhi now. I like to play badminton and cricket. I like to play badminton and cricket. I do not like to draw or paint. So she's talking about her likes and dislikes. Okay, now let's watch the video.
Hello, I am Nisa. I am 10 years old. My birthday is on 10th March. I was born in Chennai, but I live in Delhi now. I like to play badminton and cricket. I do not like to draw or paint.
So you listen to her, how smartly she's talking about it. So you can repeat it and imitate what she's telling. That's how you will be able to be fluent in English. It's not at all a problem. If you don't know and you are making mistakes, it's not a problem. So you start speaking. If you don't speak, you are never going to learn how to speak in English. You have to speak in English, and then you will learn how to speak in English fluently. If you don't know the language and you're going to keep on telling, I don't know, the whole life through you'll say, I don't know. If you don't know, what should you do? You should start speaking and start learning. Don't keep on saying, I don't know. It's not going to help. So do something that's going to be helpful. Start speaking and you will be fluent in English. So now let's come to the page number 22. Look at that. There is a boy, there is a girl. So now you have to talk. If you are in school, you could do this, but now you can sit at home and you can work in pairs. That is, with your take turns with your somebody in the family, and you can talk to your and you can imagine they are your friend, and you can tell about yourself. Then you introduce yourself. So imagining, this is all imagination. Okay, now you are not going to come to school and play act with your friends, but you can imagine. There, here also, this is picture, page number 23. You have the picture. Look at this picture. Imagination, that is the whole thing. This first man is what is that? He's a doctor. The second lady is yes, she's a teacher or a professor. Now, next one, the boy is he loves his football. He's so proud and he's standing with his ball. So look at this girl. She has a guitar. So you can talk about if you can imagine you are one of these people and you are going to introduce yourself to your friends. So you can either be the doctor or the teacher or the young boy or the young girl. So you are going to introduce yourself imagining that I am a doctor. I am Dr. Verghese George. I am a general anesthetist. I work in Hamad Hospital. So this is like when you are talking about as if you are imagining and you are the doctor. Or you can say, I am a teacher. My name is Anne George. Okay, that is me, but I am introducing myself. You can imagine and say whatever you want to. So that is one thing. Or the boy, you can talk about the boy. The boy, he's introducing himself. I am Rahul. I love to play football. I like to be the goalkeeper. So this is all ways that you can introduce yourself. Now next one is the girl. She's standing there. I am Rita. I love to play my guitar. I love to sing and dance while I play my guitar. So that's how you talk. Okay, this is all imagination and you're just using your imagination.
Listen to this little rhyme and then recite it.
Look at the little lily floating in the pond. It is little, it is lilac. It is floating in the blue water. It is little and it is floating in the blue, blue water.
So now listen to the next one. We are going to listen to it and watch the video.
Listen and repeat. Pay attention to the words beginning with L in the lines below.
Little lad lost his lucky locket. A lady found it lying in a pocket. Up she went to the lucky lad and gave his lucky locket back.
So now again we are going to listen to that. Again we are going to repeat it. Read aloud. Little lad lost his lucky locket. Little lad lost his lucky locket. A lady found it lying in a pocket. A lady found it lying in a pocket. Up she went to the lucky lad. Up she went to the lucky lad and gave his lucky locket back. And gave his lucky locket back. So, we have come to the end of today's class. I want all of you to finish your first chapter, send in your homework, and this till page number 23. Whatever we have to complete, you are going to complete. Yes or no? Yes. And when you send in your homework, how will you send it? You will write your name, your roll number, your class, and your division. Your name, your roll number, your class, and your division. Are you going to do that? If you're going to do that, you are going to help me a lot, because we are looking at the WhatsApp and we are checking all your answers. It's so difficult when we don't have your names or your and roll numbers and this thing. So help me out, please. Okay? And are you helping your parents? I hope you are doing that. Last year we had one book. So this year also take any old notebook. Last year, how many of you have the book? You can continue on that. You had the, what is that? The good deed. That is it. Good deed diary. Good deed diary. Yes. What is the good deed diary for? It is for writing whatever you help your parents, or if you're being a good boy. If you're making dosa and helping your mama, you can write, I made dosas today. I helped sweep the floor today. I washed the clothes. I helped my mother wash the clothes. I helped my mother to fold the clothes and stack it in the cupboard. These are all things you can do. Yes, you should be doing all that. Your mother is doing all the homework at home. Don't just sit at home. Don't just sit there and watch the TV the full day and just go there to eat. Help her out. She's slogging from morning till evening, right? So help them out. So when you help them, you ask your mother, Mama, what should I do? Papa, what should I do? Or if you have your sister or your brother or your grandfather or grandmother, you can ask them, what should I do? Okay, that's how you help. You don't go and do whatever you want and then don't tell, I helped. No, it's about listening to what they tell you to do and then you do it. Okay, so you will write your good deed diary. Write the date and the good deed in your diary for this week. Every day. Okay. So, God bless you all. Stay safe. Bless you, children. Bye. Take care.